prizes came. I will now be starting the unboxing video. Thank you, Jidion.
The road get rocky again. I'm back in this thing and I brought me a friend. My shit.
Here we go. Ready for the racing mode?
Versus they turn into him. I got my back, I get bored at the rim. I got my back, so I'm feeling just like a massage. I've been beefing with Jidion, but I know that my general God. Ain't no hook on this chillin', just nod. Ain't no book on this, I had to grind. But the book from the Lord in my mind. Know the world to get caught outside, so I cook in my court inside. It's a beat we gon' eat outside. In the booth we got forks and knives. I'm in eating my Lord in the skies. Ain't a new way before my design. Way before I was full of pride. Take a picture, you'll see the disguise. Ain't no fiction, the truth in the eyes. Promise said that the land was mine. I had to go get it. I saw me a giant. I had to go slay him. I David got lies. I had to repay him. He sent me new lines. I had to relay him. But I gotta re-say him. The father of time. The master of the ultimate fun. The alpha omega. The master of mind. The galaxy shaker. The one up above. Biggest creator. Bright light. Flashing. Fresh out the tomb like I'm Lazarus. Hop on the beat, now I'm spazzing. Got him in shot like anaphylactic. Ayy, they wanna party, I'm crashing. When I pull up, my little shawty like that's him. Ayy, link with the source, I'm tapped in. Whole new world, Aladdin. Rappers is Disney, clean them up swiftly. Floors on cocaine, floors on Whitney. I don't play no games, better come get me. Used to bump Tripley, not a boy Bigly. Verters on wet, verters on top flow. Shout out to TJ, shout out to WAP, the way I move weight. Must be a topo. I've been in the gym and I'm trying to get Flacco. Might hit the O, pull up on CG.